Hey, what's happening, everybody? Well, this video, you're just kind of cruising along with me. Get on the old dash cam and head on up to Snowbird and Alta Ski Resort. This is called Little Cottonwood Canyon, right in the Salt Lake City, Utah area. Record snow up here. This is at the very bottom of the camera. I mean, at the very bottom of the canyon. And when we get up here, there's over 70, 80 feet of snow. It's crazy. It's going to snow again tonight and tomorrow. It's over 800 and something inches of snow up here. Snowbird's the first ski resort. And then just a mile above it is Alta. Yeah, it's gorgeous up here. Although I think somebody might have broke a leg or something, because right in front of me is a fire/ambulance type of truck. All right, when it comes to making video, I always try to come up with ideas, and if you guys don't mind driving and talking at the same time, sometimes it's relaxing. Just kind of talk to yourself a little bit. Hum of the road, but turn your stereo down, because if there's any type of music in the background, they'll shut your video off. You know, they'll mute it, so to speak, but I think you guys already know that. For some reason, I don't know why you can't play music. It seems like YouTube, they have everything for free. They kind of steal everyone's content and play it for free. And I'm surprised that we can't do that on Facebook or other social medias anyway. But all right, when you get into recording, 15 seconds, 45 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes like a webinar, like a Zoom. The more you do it, you just get better at it. You get a little bit more comfortable. You're not so self-conscious about your looks or what your voice sounds like. Trust me, everybody can't stand what they sound like or what they look like, and you'll get kind of lost of what you're even talking about. And that's okay. It builds character. But if you want to sit in your car and kind of relax and just talk into your phone and upload videos to YouTube, that's all good. Anything you promote about your business, talk about yourself, maybe mention the link in your audio, you know, when you're talking, and then if you do have somewhere to go with a link, you know, be sure to put it underneath your video if you can. Instagram, TikTok, all those places, you got to go through loopholes, and they purposely make it to where they don't want you to click a link. Like if you're in TikTok, they don't want you clicking to YouTube or Facebook, and vice versa. So some of the social media places you can print, like www.joincoreydraper.com, for example, but they do everything they can not to make it where you can just click it and you go somewhere else. They should have confidence you're going to be back. You know, there's billions, I think, of clicks per day just on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I mean, no one's going anywhere. You know, if it's your favorite social media, you'll be back. All right, we're just following ambulances. I guess this video is how to drive up to ski resorts following ambulances. I'm not getting too close, although I could, you know, if I speed up a little bit, my little race car here. These canyons are super fun. We're going to Alta, where Gwyneth Paltrow just said on Court TV that her and her dad Bruce, they come up here years ago, and when she was a little kid, she learned to ski up here. But Alta's got the most, God, I think it's 830 inches of snow, and it's April. By the way, this should all be melted by now. April 1st is when all the ski resorts pretty much close down. By April 15th, they're done, you know, by tax day. But with 70, 80 feet of snow, and it's April. But it's almost 50 degrees down in Salt Lake, where I just started the video. My dashboard says it's 41, and that's really warm up here. But we're going to hit about 8,000, 9,000 feet when we get up to the top. Stretch some legs, get something to eat. I'm always hungry when I get up to these ski resorts, which is a chunk of change, because hamburger is like 50 bucks. You know, a drink of water is about 80 bucks. Don't go to a ski resort if you're expecting a deal on t-shirts or drinks or something to munch, that's for sure. All right, we're starting to get more snow. It looks like it's February. Yeah, mountains are real awesome. That's one of the benefits of living just kind of in the Salt Lake area. In about 20 minutes, Snowbird, Altus, Brighton, Solitude. About 35 miles away is Park City, Deer Valley, the canyons. There's a lot of ski resorts along the Wasatch Front, which I'm sure you already know. When you think of Utah, you think of lots of things. Donnie and Marie. Jello. For some reason, we're the Jello capital. I don't know what that's about, but... All right, well, if you don't mind driving and talking, you can always just put your phone in a dash mount, or you don't even have to be on video, just talk. And if you want to film out the windshield, that's fine. Just kind of get used to talking to yourself, hearing your own voice. Just pretend that somebody is just right in the passenger seat with you. Sometimes it's good to have somebody there, like a good friend, because if you're embarrassed to do a video in front of somebody, the only way to get over it really is, have a good buddy, maybe son, daughter, if you have like a giraffe or something, maybe a dog, put a pet in the passenger seat and they'll listen to you. They'll probably look at you like you got a treat or something, or maybe you're crazy, but like I said, the more you film and have notes when you're driving and talking, this is where kind of talk about what's on your mind. Take it easy. It's like kicking your shoes off, sitting on the porch, having a cold one, watching the sunset. But probably about 10. I'm going to upload about 10. So if you're watching or following my YouTube channel, I'll put about 10 examples of just really quick little things that you can do, talk about when it comes to filming, because I know that's where you get stuck. When you join an opportunity, nothing's worse than getting stuck and you don't know what to say and what to do, and it gets really frustrating because you feel like, oh, no one's going to join my business, no one's going to do this, no one's going to do that. But if you just put content up, could be interesting. Some of the videos are just to get to know you, talk a little bit, show things you like, show your neighborhood, or just go sit in a parking lot. If there's a park, go park, put your window down, and talk to yourself. If you hate it, delete. You hate it, delete. Delete, you hate. There's a lot of things that drive you bananas when it comes down to recording, but drive, chat, talk to your dog, talk about things. Don't even promote your business or your product, whatever you're selling. Like, do a concerted effort you'll get to know somebody. There's nothing worse than pretending to get to know someone and you can't wait to blurt or blab your link or your business or your opportunity. You don't want to be that person. It's really not cool. You feel really unsatisfied if you, at the end of a conversation, could be 5 minutes, and you start talking about your opportunity, you can just see someone deflate. They fidget, they look away, they look at their watch and say, well, I gotta go. You guys can tell when someone's not interested in something, but it's always better to be interesting. But if you can get good on camera, I'll tell you what, if you can do little Instagrams, little TikToks, a little bit of YouTube, your success, I really truly believe, is going to really, it's like putting gas on fire. Video's everything, as you know. Everybody just loves video, especially reality type stuff. So, well, hopefully no one's too hurt. Up here you can see, you can probably see the ambulance right above me, or in front of me, I guess is a better way to put it. A lot of broken legs. It's pretty easy to get hurt. That's for sure. I love skiing though. I actually learned at Alta too. I'm kind of like Gwyneth Paltrow. I learned how to ski up here at Alta about 500 years ago. I wore blue jeans. I remember I didn't even have a ski outfit. I went and rented skis. I think skiing back when I started was $13 for the day. Ski rentals were like maybe 10. So for like 25 bucks, you could ski and rent. Those days are different now. A little more expensive, if you know what I mean. All right, if you guys can see out my windshield, up here, this is Snowbird is the first place we're gonna stop. Get out, stretch my legs a little bit. Cliff Lodge, in the summer I actually scaled the side of the hotel one time. That was kind of cool. Going up, it's not that bad. Going down, it's kind of scary. Gets a little crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, we're gonna go down here a little bit. Let's just go see what's happening. Okay, well, I'm gonna park right here and I'll walk around. I'll show you a little bit of the ski resort. How's that sound? Okay, you guys take care. Okay, bye.